shorten it up a little bit for y'all. You are God's possession, God's own possession. That means he chose all of you, which means he put you here. He chose you to be here. He didn't have to. So that means you're God's royalty right there. That's what that means. So, not of God's queens, not the queens and kings and all that different stuff y'all talking about. So, y'all ready?